Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive all the information on what you need to do to build your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. I received a phone call just a couple minutes ago from a young lady who is in, I think, the state of Florida. And she was talking about having the challenge of COVID. Now, Florida is one of my favorite markets. There's a lot going on there. And I was mentioning to her, if you are having a challenge with COVID, once again, you're not standing out in front of your competition. So I always like to look at it, the red ocean strategy and the blue ocean strategy, which the blue ocean means that it's just clear waters. There's no competition. And in the cleaning industry, that is not the case. Because the cleaning industry is a great business model, there is always going to be competition. Now, what you do to stand out in front of the competition, if you're able to actually carve out a category that is specifically to you, trust and believe you will have people clamoring at you. I've been in this industry for about 25 years, and I have yet to see, no matter where I've moved, where I've visited, there's not a market for great cleaning companies. Not good, not average, but great. And how you become great is having an outstanding system. Having a system that does several things. It actually services you and your customer constantly. That's the one thing a lot of businesses don't do, especially service businesses. They're not good at that. So I'm going to tell you once again, there is contracts, business, walkthroughs, appointments out there. I've physically see and done and have gone to several places where I have done walkthroughs. And so I know that it's possible. But when I've done the walkthroughs, I've done them with our students that are in there. They're in the grind. They're sending out their CRMs, which is the customer relation management newsletters. They're building the relationships. They're doing really great with customer service. If there's a complaint, they make sure they handle it right away. They are constantly marketing every single day. They're reaching out either via phone, through emails. They're making sure they have their lead magnets on their website. They've got a website up. They're doing it. So if you're not getting any business, it's probably one of three things you're not doing right. Either you're not attracting the right customers to you, you do not know how to bid, so your walkthroughs aren't great, and you're not knowing how to close the deal when they sign the contract, or once you do the other two, you're losing the business for various reasons. If you're not doing all three of those, then that could be the problem when it comes to you not being able to find those contracts or the walkthroughs or the customers. So when you're backing it up, you start with the contracts and you're losing them, or you're not doing the walkthrough, or you're not even getting any phone calls. I do not believe you should go a week without getting a phone call or a quote or some type of action in your business. Not a week should go by, especially if you've been in business, say 90 days to 120 days. Within that time frame, you should be getting phone calls on a regular, looking for quotes, visiting your website, and we all know you should be keeping up with your matrix. So these are things you should implement right now if your business is not working, right at this moment. And if you'd love to know more, then make sure you come to my masterclass when I have a free masterclass and going into 10 ways. No, honestly, it's 10 times more cleaning customers. 10 times more. What you need to do to get 10 times more cleaning customers than you already have. That's right. That is the masterclass that's absolutely free that I am teaching you because it works. Yes, it does. So if you're interested in how to get 10 times more cleaning customers right now during the COVID time frame, then make sure you register for my masterclass. So excited. Love to see you there. Love the interaction, the energy, all of that. So until next time, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.